Hello, today we're going to do a quick review of our support and maintenance subscriptions. We have several subscriptions available. They are optional, but we do recommend that if you want your site to function properly and not have any downtime, you do have some type of support subscription. Our basic standard support starts at $55 per month. You get monthly remote site backups. That means we'll back your site up and send you a copy of the one-click installation. That way, if your server gets corrupted, you'll have a remote backup that will not have been impacted. You'll also get monthly plugin updates. You get 1 hour of support or content updates and a yearly site refresh. The yearly site refresh can be applied every 10 months, and that includes design and consultation. We'll install a new theme on your current site. We'll customize it. And that's up to 10 pages. We'll add a sitemap if you don't have one already, and we'll resubmit your site to Google. That's the $55 package. If you go for the $65 a month subscription, again, you get the monthly remote site backup, you get the monthly plugin updates, but this, you get 2 hours of phone support, in addition to 3 hours of support or content updates, along with the yearly site refresh. If you decide not to get the maintenance, then if you do contact us and need support on your site, then it will be billed at $60 per hour with a 1 hour minimum. And the $60 is applied for a full hour or a partial hour, which means if it takes 1 hour and 15 minutes to do the maintenance on your site, you'll be charged for 2 hours of time. So as you can see, the subscriptions are a much better bargain. And don't forget, if you don't already have an SSL on your site, which is the padlock that would show that your site is secure, we do install SSLs for $50. You would have to purchase the SSL. We can put that in your shopping cart, but we will install it and make sure that you don't have any mixed content issues. And so this is just a quick overview of our support subscription. And we also have some other helpful information on the site under support, training. We have some great training videos that will explain most of the services that we offer here at Website Casa.